Hey guys, Dustin here, and today I got my hands on the smallest handgun that I've ever had my hands on, the NAA Black Widow. You know we have to start it off right though, right? Got that, tree? Let's get this party started. So our sponsor for this video is SimpliSafe. SimpliSafe's an effective and reliable home security system that's easy and intuitive to use as well. And I had my whole house installed and secure in like half an hour. It was crazy easy. It has cameras that connect to your smartphone, doorbell cameras, and sensors of all sorts. There's these little sensors like this that'll tell you if there's water or flooding in your house. You have freeze sensors, motion sensors, glass break alarms, smoke detectors, and carbon monoxide detectors, all connected, and it's monitored 24/7 by professionals that'll notify you and the police in case of emergency. There's no contracts, no hidden fees, and it's even equipped for worst case scenarios. So if you lost internet, if you lost power, it's got a battery backup and even cell service. I can unplug the thing, and now it's like, hey, you lost power, and it's gonna send me a notification to my phone even. I'm excited to have SimpliSafe in my home because, as you know, I upset some eco-terrorists when I shot a tree once upon a time, and I get death threats. Can you imagine that? Now, I can outshoot most of people, but now I know my home and family is secure, and I don't have to worry about anything as well. So you can support my channel by going over to simplisafe.com/Dustin. There's a link in the description, and find the security service that's right for you. So without further ado, let's shut up and shoot. So this is the Black Widow, and I saw it at SHOT Show, and I'm like, you know what? It's a little more ergonomic with these large grips. It's like, how far can I hit something with this thing? So we're gonna find out today. Now, it reloads pretty easy. You pull this and pull that out instead of, you know, some of the older models. I think you had to unscrew completely. Take that cylinder and load it up with 22 magnums, which means this booger is loud because it's a rifle cartridge. And but power-wise, I mean, when you don't have a rifle-length barrel, you're talking about 900 feet per second or so, or maybe close to 1,000. But it's kind of like 22 long rifle velocities, at least out of a rifle. So, but here's the deal. Always ensure that you read the owner's manual on your guns, because you'll find out something. Because once we load this up, you'll see that that hammer is actually resting on the firing pin. So you have to read the owner's manual to know how to align it right in the center. So it makes me wonder, if we do it wrong, how dangerous is it, and will it go off? So I'm gonna do it wrong. I'm gonna decock it on a round in the chamber. I have not tested this out yet, so we may be surprised. I've got my little brass hammer. We're gonna start giving it some taps and see how hard I have to hit it to make it go off, right? I mean, let's do it. If we're gonna do something crazy, let's do it live on video, right? All right, here's just a little tap. Okay, a little more tap. Okay, read the owner's manual and make sure that you're safe, guys, because if you would have dropped that was about like a half drop, waist high drop. That could be dangerous if you're being stupid. So put it right between, so when your cylinder's aligned right there, that's when the hammer's not resting on a live round. But let's just skip everything. We're gonna make this video short, sweet, and fun. We're gonna back all the way up to 100 yards and see if I can connect with this little guy, right? So full disclosure, this is my 100-yard bench, but that's to the berm. But the berm, let's see, I'm gonna be standing right here. That berm is 103.8 yards. These are the Nikon Stabilized 3000. They're good. And then my target for today, 96.1. We're gonna round 100, guys, but there you go, 96.1. We are using Federal Champion 22 mag, just because I thought the box was pretty. That's the only reason I got. So this is just fun for me, because this is a belly gun, you know, the belly backup gun. It's just so tiny, it's not made for this. Doesn't mean we can't pull it off, right? It's hitting a little high at like 25 yards or so when I was playing with it earlier. So good thing is I can probably kind of aim for the belly button of that defense target torso and still connect. So shut up and shoot. Oh boy. Hit, I heard that. That was a miss. Hit. I guess that was 5. It's hard counting when you're focused. So I missed once. 4 out of 5 at 100 yards, 96. I'll take it for a little belly gun with a 1 3/4 inch barrel. Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. Okay, I was obviously favoring the right edge, but look at that group. Here, let me pull out that minigun. So that is 100 yards with that. I'm about 7 inches, but these 3 are about 2 inches. Holy smokes. That's awesome. All right, so after seeing how well we did with those 4 rounds, just how close together they were, I gotta see if I can get 5 out of 5. It'd probably be better if I just take a rest, you know, but we're going all out. We're gonna see if we can do it standing up with this teeny tiny belly gun. Man, this is kind of crazy, but whatever. We're here. We're gonna let it rip. I think I actually see it on the right edge. Hit! 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 Yeah! 5 out of 5! Nice! Let's go see how we did. Oh, barely! Oh my gosh! Okay. I don't know which order, but y'all know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I'm glad we used the big target then, but I will take it for a tiny belly gun at 100 yards, 96. We'll count it. Thanks for joining me, guys. It's always fun to do crazy stuff and to have people to show. Remember, click that little notification bell because YouTube will unsubscribe you automatically. True story. If you found that they did that to you, leave it in the comments so everybody knows because it's true. They hate me. And anyway, we'll see y'all next time. Let's do. Oh, Nasser! Say hi, Nasser. Oh wait. Hey, Big Pig, you finally came out. Tell her bye hi. Say hi. Oh, she's been all asleep back in the back because it's just an overcast day. She doesn't come out much. Say hi, Nicey. Okay, I love her. Bye-bye.